Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee Express. At ang sender natin ay si ISK Marketing.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ang order ko rito is yung kickstart na lever para sa GY6. So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, ito yung kickstart lever guys ng GY6. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.